Hi, my babies.
Hi, Mommy.
Where are we going?
We're going to the mall.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy, for the umbrellas.
This is not the mall. No, Utila is saying be safe, guys.
Be safe.
Say thank you. It's not a mall, it's a shop. Nana, stop playing with the umbrella. No? See why I didn't want to give you an umbrella.
Keep it like this. Keep it on your...
Where are we going?
To the shop.
To the shopping center. It's a what?
To get all the things.
They might call it a mall, but it's we're going to get quads, the books that are crisscross for mathematics. And then we need to get an apron for her.
And then we need to get woolly.
Yeah, and wool for her also. I don't know if we'll find aprons here. When I was buying yesterday, I thought the check cover is the apron. So I was sure I have that item, but old age is coming. Hello, my babies. Yes, I bought 2 umbrellas, my babies. We have not had an umbrella. We've been going to church with blankets. So no more blankets, I get.
Also, when it's raining and we go to school.
Yes.
When we come back, umbrella.
But you need to look after it. When you get to school, it's wet. You chuku it and you put it back.
You know
Otherwise,
what I do when it's wet? I do like this. I also do the same thing. And then
I will also do the same thing.
And then I also do the same thing. And then I do like this and then I close it.
Okay, so you guys take care now. We can't afford to lose anything because we don't have anything to replace it with. I get you lose something, you start asking God for a replacement because I don't have the money, ne? But God is very rich, ne? Okay, so let's go. Let's see if we find the apron. Then we're gonna buy the quad books, and then we're coming back.
I'm so tired.
You are sorted, my darling. Your stationery is done. Utsile is also sorted. There's this little one. Oh yeah, and we must also buy paper cups, ne? Not paper cups, paper plates. I don't know what they're gonna do with paper plates.
Why does the baby need so much things?
Because she's still going to catch in
Also
grade
my
1.
bag is heavy.
Your bag, guys. That's why they prefer pulling bags. So one day when mom and dad have enough money, we'll do the pulling bags, ne? And it's hot.
Mommy, and in the Mokoko, they used to, in the village.
Nana, cover yourself.
Mommy, in the village, they used to use bucket and soap to clean themselves.
No bathrooms, ne? Okay, guys, let's not play with umbrellas like that. You need to see the road. Hold it over your head so you cover yourself. Let's walk, ne?